So the exact coordinate of this position, okay, we need to again recognize that it is a special angle. We need to know where it's located in the circle. So 5 pi over 3 is the long side vertical angle in quadrant 4. Okay, so that's going to be 5 pi over 3 over here. Okay, so that's going to give us this reference triangle, and it says it's a radius of 8. Okay, and we know that if I just kind of draw that same triangle, I know that the ratio is going to be 2, root 3, and 1. So essentially this triangle is going to be 4 times bigger than this one. So I can just scale everything by 4. We just need to make sure we've got the right direction. So I know that this is going to be positive 4, and this is going to be going down 4 times more than root 3, or 4 root 3, and I got to make sure it's negative. So once I've done that, now I've got the x and y positioning. I can now write the coordinate. I'm just going to move that over there. So the coordinate here is going to be x is 4, y is negative 4 root 3. That's the exact coordinate on that point on that circle. Okay, and it's in the ratio of 1 to root 3. Okay, so this is one where it's not exact angle, but we still need exact values. Negative 3, negative 7 is in quadrant 3. Okay, so that's our position that we want to find. And we're being asked to find all the trig ratios, so I need this hypotenuse. So that's going to be square root of 58. Okay, 49 plus 9 is 58. So if I want the sine, cos, and tan ratios of that angle, okay, it can just go straight off the diagram. Sine is y, cos is x, tan is slope. So my slope here is going to be down 7 across 3, so it's going to be positive 7 over 3 is my slope. Now, we're not asked to find the angle, but what is the position angle that locates that position? Well, I can use any of those ratios to find it. The problem that's going to happen is that you have to remember that you're aware of is when we do arc sine, arc cos, or arc tan, that gives us theta 1, but theta 1 is not always in the right position. So if I go to my calculator here and I want to work out theta 1, okay, there's my calculator here. I'm going to use arc sine to work out theta 1. So punching into my calculator, arc sine of negative 7 divided by square root 58. Okay, I get negative 1.16. Okay, so theta 1 is in the wrong spot because negative 1.16 is down here. Okay, so there's theta 1, negative 1.16. Okay, so we don't want that one. We want a different one. We want the one on the other side. Well, that's theta 2. Now we could use a formula, or we can use just symmetry. I know that there's pi, and I'm going to go the same amount, so it's going to be pi plus 1.16 in that direction. The formula, by the way, is theta 1, pi is theta 2 is pi minus theta 1. Okay, well, that's going to be minus negative. Yeah, that's going to give us the exact same position. So that's going to be about 4.30 radians. Okay, so that's the angle that I'm looking for. So there's theta 2. That's the one I want, 4.30 radians.